Hi, this is Jyoti from Tenet Technetronics. Now let us see a demonstration on Android 2.3 Gingerbread OS on Beagleboard XM. So in this demonstration, let us mainly see a camera application on Android 2.3 Gingerbread OS. To start up with the camera application, I am using a USB webcam which is connected to the USB port of the Beagleboard. And also in order to display the captured images, I am using a display which is connected to the HDMI cable. And 4GB SD card with the Android 2.3 images in it. Let us check the Android version. Click on the settings. In the settings menu, click on the About phone. You can see the model number as Beagleboard and the Android version as 2.3.4. The kernel version is 2.6.32. Now let us check the camera application. So for the camera application, I am using a USB webcam to capture the videos. Let us start it by clicking on the camera button. To start the capturing, you can click on this button, and to start your recording, click this button. Now your video has been recorded. You can stop your recording. You can check back your recorded video in the gallery folder. Click on the gallery. Select your video. Now you can see your recorded video. Thanks for watching this video. For more information and queries, please log on to our website www.tenettech.com.